Welcome to this detailed walkthrough on how to open a file in Figma. In this session, we will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you understand each action you need to take. We begin with accessing Figma itself. Open your web browser and navigate to the Figma website. This is your first step in beginning your design journey on this powerful platform. Once the Figma homepage has loaded, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There you will see the option to log in. Click on the login button to start the sign-in process. This action initiates the gateway to your project workspace where you can access your files and start designing. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several sign-in options. One of these options is to continue using your existing Google account. Choose the option labeled Continue with Google. By selecting this, you allow Figma to simplify the authentication process by connecting with your Google credentials. At this stage, if you are not already signed into your Google account, a prompt will appear asking you to select the account you wish to use. Choose your preferred Google account from the selection list presented. Confirming your account will complete the sign-in and redirect you to your Figma workspace, where your projects and files are readily available for you to use. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the workspace where you will find multiple tabs that help you navigate through your projects. Locate the tab labeled Recent, which lists the files you have recently accessed or collaborated on. Selecting this tab gives you quick access to the file you want to open, ensuring that you save time by not having to search through numerous folders. After familiarizing yourself with the recent files, your next goal is to initiate the import process. To do this, find the option labeled Import, which is located at the top right corner of your workspace. Click on the Import button to bring up the file selection dialog. This feature is very useful when you need to bring in external files or projects into Figma, enabling you to work with diverse file types seamlessly. With the import menu now active, you will notice an option that reads Import from Computer. Click on this option to open your File Explorer. This action allows you to navigate to the location on your computer where your file is stored. Once you have located your file, select it for import into Figma. The seamless integration of external files into Figma ensures that you can continue working on your design projects without interruption. This complete process, from navigating to the Figma website to importing a file from your computer, is designed to be both intuitive and efficient. Following these steps in order will help you become familiar with Figma's interface and streamline your workflow. For more detailed guidance and additional tips on using Figma, you can visit guides available on double.so and explore further resources on figma.com. Enjoy exploring your creative potential with Figma, and happy designing!